Where others saw desert, Dubai built Food Tech Valley. An 18 million square foot agri-tech city to reimagine food production. Dubai is now growing leafy greens in vertical farms and running agri-systems on sensors instead of soil. This is precision farming for extreme environments, climate resilient, data-driven, and built to feed fast-growing cities. And Indian innovators are right in the thick of it, powering the tech, designing the systems, and scaling sustainable solutions where the odds once said impossible. Designed to transform the desert into a thriving center for sustainable farming, it's where innovation meets intention. Dubai's Food Tech Valley is more than a flagship project. It's a blueprint. With the UAE aiming to top the Global Food Security Index by 2051, agri-tech is no longer a niche bet. It's a national priority. And this is where Indian startups step in, bringing hydroponics, soil substitutes, and AI-driven solutions straight into the UAE's farming frontier. For Indian agri-tech pioneers like Waycool and IG International, Dubai isn't just a new market. It's a platform to push the boundaries of sustainable food systems. Waycool is transforming how fresh produce moves from Indian farms to UAE dining tables, using AI and deep tech to optimize freshness, traceability, and safety at every stage. Meanwhile, IG International is leveraging Dubai's strategic location as a global logistics hub to build advanced supply chain networks and bring premium Indian fruits to consumers across the Gulf. By combining smart supply chains with Dubai's policy-driven infrastructure and investor-friendly ecosystem, these companies are creating faster, fresher, and more resilient food corridors. Dubai offers Indian agri-tech what it needs most: a high-speed testing ground with world-class facilities and immediate market feedback, helping shape the next generation of food security solutions for the region. Building on these supply chain innovations, Dubai is becoming a living laboratory for scalable agri-tech breakthroughs. Dubai's food future is already in motion. At Bustanica, one of the world's largest vertical farms, over 1 million kilos of greens are grown annually by using 95% less water. Meanwhile, Dake Rishon is using smart sand to turn arid land into water-saving plots. For them, building climate resilience starts from the ground up. Their breathable sand innovation is now helping Dubai rethink what desert soil can do. Startups like Fasal and AG Next are now using Dubai to pilot AI-based analytics before expanding into similar climate zones across Africa and the Gulf. This India-UAE corridor reflects more than startup enthusiasm. It's a long-term, policy-backed push to build shared ecosystems for innovation, trade, and food security. From Food Tech Valley, the UAE's flagship zone for agri-tech R&D, to formal MOUs driving cross-border action, this is innovation powered by policy. Her Excellency, Mariam bint Mohammed Saeed Hareb Al Mhiri, has emphasized the UAE's focus on enabling food tech startups, highlighting how infrastructure and unified licensing are being shaped to accelerate innovation in sustainable agriculture. Through joint biotech ventures and desert-adapted seed systems, this partnership is delivering on its vision, turning moonshot ideas into real food security impact. This is more than trade. It's soft power through agri-tech. Dubai gives Indian startups test beds, scale, and trust. In return, Indian innovators are providing the UAE with the tools to feed itself and others. The result? A new corridor of innovation, connecting India, UAE, Africa through shared tech, soil, and science. What's unfolding in Dubai is more than desert farming. It's a climate-resilient blueprint for the future. And Indian startups are at the forefront, engineering the tools, tech, and systems driving this transformation.